So, we spent how many hours?
Like three-ish
hours on the road. We found ourselves at Santa Monica. So, you guys get to see a day in the life of Amber Patrick today, featuring Marissa Napolitano. Do you like my hair today? That's something else today, huh?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. So, we just had a relaxing few hours on the beach, picking up seashells, and now it's time for me to do a photo shoot for one of my friends. So here we go. You ready?
Well, you better be ready.
Yeah, that's true. She's not taking pictures. Not today.
No, it's not me.
Oh, I can't see. The sun is so bright.
I gotta add.
They wanna have fun. Oh, girl doesn't wanna have fun. Wanna have fun. Girls wanna Some boys take a beautiful girl and hide her away from the rest of the world. I wanna be the one to walk in the sun. Well, girls, they wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have. That's all they really want. Is some fun.
Alright, it is 8:12. We have been on the freeway for half an hour-ish
Yeah, about.
now, and we are ready to be home. It was a long, fun day of sitting at the beach and doing a photo shoot, but I'm ready to be home. Are you ready?
Ready to be out of traffic.
Yes, that's another thing too. We got a crazy ton of traffic in front of us, so pray that we make it in one piece, because there are some insane drivers down here in LA.
Like that.
Yep, I think that was actually a cop too. A cop just totally cut in front of us. See, can't trust anybody on these roads.
I know.
All right, I'll keep you guys updated of when we get home. So, I know this is really bad quality, but I wanted to follow up. My friend and I got home about 10 o'clock, and I'm just now getting into bed, and I am exhausted. It was a long day, but I had a lot of fun, and despite all the temptations of the churros, oh man, churros are my weakness. I love churros, and I walked by a churro stand like 7 times today. But I said no. I held strong, and as I'm laying here now, I am very proud of myself for not getting a churro, and I feel so much better. My stomach doesn't hurt like it usually does, and I'm feeling pretty good so far, and it's only day 2 of using Isagenix, so that's very exciting for me, just because I've been having tummy issues for almost 2 years now, but this last year has been just miserable for me. It's constantly hurting. So this new Isagenix diet is really helping me feel better, and I'm very happy about it, and so far I'm very pleased with my results. I mean, granted, I haven't seen any difference in my body, but I feel the difference, and that means so much more to me than losing the weight at this point. So yeah. Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog for today, and if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys soon.